Hi there, my name's Paul. Thank you very much for joining me. This is our Ford Transit Custom L2H1 panel van. I'm going to have a quick walk around, show you some of the features and the benefits this fantastic van has got to offer. But first of all, going to point out, as with all of our used vehicles, this vehicle has undergone and passed a 128-point AA inspection. Having passed that inspection, the vehicle comes with a standard of 3 months AA covered warranty, which you can upgrade to 1, 2 or 3 years at your discretion. On top of that, we're going to throw in a year's AA breakdown cover. That's good for one call out in the year, but you can upgrade this to unlimited call outs for merely £1 extra per month. On top of that, we've applied a triple layered Guardex treatment to the vehicle. That's a paint protection pack. That's going to protect the vehicle in that lovely race red colour against any negative effects of UV from sunlight, acidity in rainwater, or anything at all that's going to cause premature aging, dimming or deterioration to that beautiful finish. Now on this vehicle, it's a trend model with lots of upgrades. You've got the parking sensors there, front and back. You've got fog lights, so if you're driving in diminished visibility conditions, it's going to make that much safer for you. LED daytime running lights running around those headlight clusters there with those lovely powerful Xenon headlights included. Colour-coded bumper there on the front, colour-coded mirror housings. Slam locks included as well, so there's the one there on the driver's door. Moving around to the back, got the parking sensors there on that rear bumper, slam lock on the back door. Moving around down the near side of the vehicle, slam lock there on the sliding door and on the passenger door. These are the AdBlue filler caps just there in that panel between the sliding door and the passenger door. So lots and lots going on there for us. Let's just move back around to the back of the vehicle. We'll start having a look inside. Okay, so looking into the payload area now. Between those wheel arches, 132 centimetres of width, 138 centimetres from the floor to the bottom of the ribs on the ceiling. From the bulkhead all the way along the floor there to the back doors, 285 centimetres of storage length. In the back, as you can see as well, the vehicle has been ply lined, so lots and lots of protection for the vehicle itself if anything in the back should slip or fall. The floor itself is carpeted as well, so really nicely finished there. But underneath the carpet you do have the Ford plastic flooring there, so that's going to give you a nice water resistant layer underneath there as well. Looking in at the ceiling now, as you can see, you've got the light clusters on the top. So if you are working in the dark or in diminished visibility, it's going to make that nice and easy for you. You've also got a series of tie down points around the back of the vehicle as well. So if you do need to tie anything down for stability or safety, it's going to be very easy to do so. And on the bottom left of the bulkhead there, you've got the lift up flap. That's going to give you an additional 45 centimetres of storage length underneath the passenger seats. So loads of notes going on there. Let's jump around to the cab and have a look in the front. Okay, so moving in on the driver's side, lots and lots of storage options there in the driver's door channels, and the passenger's one's the same on the other side. Electronic central locking, electronically controlled windows and mirrors. Those mirrors have got that power fold feature as well. So just going to pull back on that lever, that will close and open those mirrors for us. Before we step in, all three seats have got an adjustable headrest, so lots of convenience for everyone in the vehicle. Pull down picnic tables, very useful as a hard surface for any invoicing, billing or journal entries. Just underneath the armrest there, you've got the lumbar support option for the driver's seat. As we mentioned, armrest as well, so added convenience there. You've got the tilt adjusters as well for the base and the backrest of the driver's seat, and the height adjuster as well. Looking in just before we step up into the vehicle, to the right hand side behind the steering wheel, you've got automatic headlights included with this vehicle. You've got a cup holder and a bottle holder at each extreme end of the vehicle as well. Nice large glove box, storage up in front and all the way along the front of the dash with a 12-volt charging point and USB point behind the steering wheel. You've also got an additional 12-volt point and USB point just next to the glove box there. So, starting up the vehicle, so brake pedal down, and as you see, vehicle starts nice and easy first time. No warning lights on the dash display, which is perfect. 49,000 miles on the clock, and nice crystal clear, easy to read display. On the steering wheel, lots of options on here. You're going to use the joystick on the right. That's going to adjust between all the different display options that we have there on the center of the dash. Underneath there, track control, voice controls and hands-free calling. Volume controls on the other side, just underneath the cruise control options. On the stalks, you've got wiper controls on the right, indicators on the left. Moving over, you've got an automatic gearbox with this vehicle as well. Climate controls up in the center. Now with that, you've also got heated front windscreen and heated mirrors included. Moving across to the side, automatic stop start is included with this vehicle as well. And then you've got the media system just up above that. So with this system, and you've got DAB radio included amongst your AM and FM bands. Once you've got a device connected, like a phone connected via Bluetooth, you've got the options there for hands-free calling and media streaming as well. One other nice little feature you've got is, just moving down there, the emergency assistance. That's something I would hope you would never need, but a nice little safety feature to have there just to be on the safe side. So loads and loads going on in this vehicle. Lots of functionality, I'm sure you'd agree. Lots and lots of extra features and benefits there for you. And fantastic value for money. So that is the L2H1 Ford Transit Custom in race red. I'm sure you'd agree, fantastic vehicle, really looks the part as well. Fantastic value for money and loads of features and benefits packed in there as well. So anything further we can do to assist with the purchase, please don't hesitate to let us know, and it will be a pleasure to look after you however we possibly can. Thank you very much for your time today. Have a fantastic day ahead, and we'll look forward to speaking to you very soon. Bye now.